Hi everyone, Christina with Healthy Blessed Family. I wanted to share with you some of the prep that I did today. I still have more prep to do tomorrow, but I'm tired, so I'm going to take a break. But here's what all I got done. I need to share with you guys this tip. Whenever you get mixed greens, lettuce, whatever, wash it, dry it, and then line a Ziploc bag, a gallon-sized Ziploc bag with paper towel, and put it in there, and it will keep for like 3 weeks. It's really, really a neat trick, and it works, and it's wonderful. So I bought 2, and I already used one of them in my salad and jars. So, but this is an awesome trick. I made some butter me up banana bread that's been hot all over the internet for breakfast because today is the Feast of the Annunciation. So it's a solemnity when Mary said yes to God. And I cut up the sausage for the cabin sauce. Still need to cut up the cabbage. I made some more quinoa because I was out. I made 3, there's 3 in there. I made 6 salads in a jar for this week. So I have a deep S, I have 2 E salads in a jar, and I also have a chickpea salad that I'm trying. If you have not tried the salads in the jar, that's in Trim Healthy Mama Cookbook, page 188 and 189. I'm telling you, these are the greatest time savers, super quick to make up. And then during the week, as a busy homeschooling mama and business mama, I can easily have a lunch that's grab and go. Like, it can travel with me to co-op, and I can throw it into a bowl, and I'm ready to eat. I also made some granola bars. So I made an XO for my husband and my kids and an E for me. It's my first time trying to make granola bars. Oh, I didn't even see that. Here you go. That's the one that's, excuse the mess on my table. I don't have a lot of room in here. That's the one that's a crossover for my husband and kids. And this one's in E for my snacks and breakfasts that are in E. So it's the first time it looks like the one that was in E for me came out better than the crossover. The crossover looks like it wants to fall apart. But I'm going to have my husband cut those up and put those into baggies because I'm tired and I need to go rest. So tomorrow I still need to, I've already cut up the meat for slow fajitas, and I cut up the meat for the chicken, mushroom, broccoli stir fry. The stir fry is in Trim Healthy Table. Slow fajitas is in Trim Healthy Mama Cookbook. It's one of my favorite recipes because it can be an E, it could be a pupil, or it could be an S. I like mine as an S because I love to have cheese on my fajitas, but I don't use any shells or tortillas or anything. I just eat it in a bowl, and I love it. So what are you prepping this weekend? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope that you have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.